Dear children, today I teach you Nazi and the rise of Hitler in history lesson number 3. Look at the book, page number 41. You know about Hitler. Today I teach you about Hitler. Now look at the book. The Nazism was stunning not only for the history of Germany but was so for the world history. It was a new turn of the German history which extensively influenced the world polity. To comprehend it elaborately, let us have a look of the story of Helmut. यहाँ पर हिटलर जो जर्मनी का चांसलर था उसके जीवन परिचय के बारे में यहाँ पर बताया गया है। वह एक कुशल राजनीतिक, कूटनीतिक एवं बुद्धिजीवी व्यक्ति था जिसके अपने बुद्धि और बुद्धि के कौशल पर या कहते अपने बुद्धि की कला पर, राजनीति की कला पर पूरे विश्व को नंगा नाच नचा दिया था, जिसके बारे में आज हम लोग कहते सुनते हैं एक दूसरे को, क्या तुम बहुत हिटलर बन गए हो। तो ये किस बात का संकेत है? कहीं न कहीं इस बात के पीछे हमारा इतिहास जुड़ा हुआ है। आखिर वो कौन हिटलर था जिसके बारे में आज हम न जानते हुए भी उसका नाम लेते हैं। कहते तुम बहुत दादागिरी कर रहे हो, बहुत हिटलर बन रहे हो। आखिर वो हिटलर कौन था, किसके बारे में संकेत किया जा रहा है? तो उसी के बारे में आज हम लेसन पढ़ा रहे हैं। इसको पढ़ें और फिर इसके क्वेश्चन से बाद में कराएंगे। तो द स्टोरी ऑफ हेलमुट के बारे में बता रहे हैं। द 11-year-old हेलमुट वाज ए जर्मन, एक बालक है हेलमुट नाम का। हिज पेरेंट्स सपोर्टेड द नाजिज्म, उसके माता पिता नाजीवाद के समर्थक थे, सहयोग करने वाले सपोर्टर थे। वन डे द overheard his parents discussing that they should commit suicide to escape the action by the Allied nation. The next day, his father took him to a park for a walk. There they had a good time. After some days, Helmut's father committed suicide. Helmut's father, a supporter of the Nazism, killed himself out of fear of the Allied nation. The Allied nation had defeated Germany, and in the view of Helmut's father, the Allied nation would do to the Nazis what the Nazis had done to the crippled and the Jews. Helmut was adversely affected by this incident. He was afraid that his mother would poison him to death. For the fear of the action of the Allied nation, such events were usually happening in the Germany. In fact, it is clear from the story of Helmut that the Nazis run by Hitler was very horrifying on the erstwhile political, social background, and every section of the society was deeply affected by this. Hitler, a brief introduction हिटलर के बारे में. Adolf Hitler was born in 1889 in a place called Wien, Austria. Hitler had his earlier education at a place called Linz. After his father's death, Hitler went to Vienna at the age of 17. At this time, he started hating the communist and Jewish people. When the First World War began, he joined the army. In this war, we felt very sad for the defeat of Germany in 1919. He took membership of a small group called Workers' Party. Gradually, he established his control over this party. This party later became famous as Nazi Party or the Nazi organization. Hitler was the ruler of Germany from 1933 to 1945. Hitler was the ruler of Germany. He took part in the Second World War. He wanted to wipe out the whole race of the Jews, but the circumstances of the war changed with the joining of the USSR and America with the Allied nation. Germany surrendered before the Allied nation in May 1945. Hitler and his supporters were under the shadow of fear that the Allied nations would deal with them as they had done with the Jews and the other minority groups. Out of this fear, Hitler and his propaganda minister Goebbels with his entire family committed suicide in April 1945 in bunker of Berlin. After it, chain of suicide set in. At the end of the war, an international military tribunal was set up in the Nuremberg, which was the region of the suicides being committed in Germany. This tribunal was constituted to try the three types of the war crimes: crime against peace, war crime, and crime against humanity. The tribunal dealt harsh punishment to the Nazis. Afraid of severe punishment, the Nazis and their supporters began to commit suicides. There were many causes behind the tyrannical behavior of the Nazi. The tyranny began after the First World War. At the conclusion of the First World War, the Allied nation forced Germany go to the humiliating Treaty of the Versailles. Stung by the humiliation, the nationalist elements emerged in Germany. Hitler promised to regain the national glory of Germany by evoking nationalism. The people of Germany saw Hitler as their national hero. इसके एक्स्ट्रा शॉर्ट देख लें पहले. नाजी किसे कहते हैं? व्हाट नाजी? दिस वर्ड इज मेड ऑफ द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ नाजी-ओनल. Word Nazi-Ohnal was the first word Hitler's party So the member of this party were called Nazi. Allied nation. The First World War was being fought between the two alliances. The first alliance consists of the Axis power, which include Germany, Italy, Austria-Hungary, तुर्की या टर्की कहते हैं, and other Axis nation. Allied nation में कौन कौन है? पहले अलायंस में एक्सिस पावर के अंतर्गत जर्मनी, इटली, ऑस्ट्रिया हंगरी, टर्की एंड अदर एक्सिस नेशन. द सेकेंड अलायंस ग्रुप कंसिस्टेड टू एलाइड नेशन कंक्लूडेड ब्रिटेन, फ्रांस, यूएसएसआर, यूनाइटेड स्टेट, सोवियत रूस जिसे बोलते हैं, जापान, द कंट्रीज ऑफ द ब्रिटिश डोमिनियन एंड द अमेरिकाइजेशन. नाजिज्म. Ideology of the Nazi was known as Nazi. This was an extreme autocratic movement which was led by Hitler in Germany. Hitler became the dictator of Germany in 1933 by dint of this movement. The First World War. This war was agitated from 1914 to 1918. During this war, about half of the world suffered from violence. Above 1 crore people died in this war. Second World War, 1939 to 1945 लड़ा गया था. फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार हुआ था 1914 से 1918, दूसरा 1939 से 1945 तक वर्ल्ड वार हुआ था. इस तरह से इतना पहले पढ़ के आए, फिर हम कल अगर बताएंगे. धन्यवाद.